Hello and welcome to the Appsplash Cookery Club. Today we're going to learn about customizing your app skin. When you start building your app, the first step is to create the features. So after you've added them in, our next step is to edit the design, which is the look and feel of the app. So here we have the design panel. You get to choose the colors for your app. And as you see below, there's three separate options. One of them is to design the app skin. That's what we're going to go over today. So if I click on that, you're going to bring up a new panel, which will allow you to upload any custom images that you want. On the left hand panel you see header bar 640 by 88, so that's the dimension for the actual header bar. The header bar is a top banner at the top of the app, so right now you can see on the left in the simulator there's no title in the header bar, it's just a black image and one little icon. So we're going to upload a custom header bar there. The next is a grid row background. So what that is, if you have a data list or a products page or a services page, you can actually edit the background of the grid or the list images. So here there's just a white background because we've set that in our colors, but we're going to upload a custom image for this. And last but not least is the actual tab icon. So we have three icons on our app: home, a little house; a cocktails is just a little blank page; and a loyalty is a little checkbox. So we're going to upload our own versions of the icons. So simply what you need to do is create the icons on any photo editor, save them into one place. So create a folder, save all your icons into there so you know where they are. Then you simply come into this panel and upload them. So I'm going to start doing that now. First is the header bar. Click on edit, choose the file. So I'm going to locate the folder that I've saved it in, and I've called the file header.png. So I'm going to click on that, click upload, let the page refresh, and there you see it's saved that in there for you. The needs label tab, so our header actually has text on it, so we don't need to tick this, but if your header is a plain header, you can tick that and it will show the default header. So for example, our default header here is summer cocktails, but we already changed it on the custom header just to cocktail, so we don't need to tick that. Next step is the grid row background, so click edit again, choose file, and I've called it grid.bg, nice friendly name. Upload, that's done. List row, again simply click and upload. I've called this one list background, has a nice little pattern. Upload that. So that's the header bar, which is up here, the list row, which are these, and the grid background, which will be behind here. Next step is to upload the tab icons. So as you can see, we only have 3 tabs, so that means we only need to upload the first 3 tab icons. So I'll do that now. So the first one, we're going to have a little sun icon, because it's for summer cocktails app. The second icon, which will be for the cocktails tab, we're going to have a little martini glass. And the third icon will have a little coupon. Upload. So that's our custom skin uploaded. So what we're going to do now is go to the bottom and click save. So when you receive to this screen again, simply go back to your simulator, restart it, and then you should see all the changes. So if we click preview app, so now you see first we have the custom header. So I'm going to go back into our app skin so I can actually show you what it represents. So here we uploaded the header bar 640 by 88 pixels, and now you can see that at the top it replaced the default header bar. This can obviously be any design you want. For the grid row background, so we click on cocktails, and now you can see there's a slight grey gradient behind the grid row. Before it was just plain white. And for the list, you can see our nice little pattern behind each list. So as you add more lists, every list will have the same pattern. And again, this can be any design you want. You can add images onto it, your own text. So you have full customization over the list backgrounds, grid backgrounds, and the header. At the bottom you can see now we've changed the 3 icons. We have a nice sun icon, a martini glass, and a nice coupon with some scissors. So we have fully customized the app. It looks completely different to before, and it doesn't take any programming knowledge or any vast amount of time. You simply create the icons, upload them, refresh the simulator, and you have a nice customized app. If you don't have design skills, we've provided a starter kit, which you can see in the yellow box on the custom skin page. You simply click where it says here, and it will download an icon pack called Custom Skin HD. In the pack, you have around 200 plus icons, some default header bars, simple colors, red, white, yellow, black, grid row backgrounds as well, so feel free to use that. But if you do have the design skills, you can always create your own and simply upload them. Thanks for listening.